In this video, we're out lure fishing again, catching pollock and mackerel, using some of my usual lures and some new jigs. I'll also try out using these flies on spinning tackle for the first time. We get up close to some of the local wildlife and spot some dolphins out in the bay. And I finally catch a lobster in the pots. On the way to the first spot, this stag popped out the bushes right in front of us. I was a bit worried Lily might try and chase him, but luckily the bushes were blocking our view. Over at the fishing spot, we got off to a great start.
Fish on, first cast. Just a little one. Really little one.
I forgot to take the pies, but don't worry, Lily got one as soon as we got home.
So good.
This next fish took on the drop, and it was the first time I'd caught this species this year.
Hey! Little mackerel.
I kept this mackerel. It's my favourite eating fish. Usually they travel in big shoals, so I expected to get a few more. But I think the dolphins out in the bay might have scattered them all. And we didn't get any more fish here. I moved round to the other side of the point and tied on one of the big flies with a cheb weight on my light setup. Right away it showed signs of working well, with this fish jumping right out the water after the fly.
Whoa! Whoa! Here we go. You scared of it, Lily? Decent fish. Not really a keeper though.
The sun was starting to set, so I went back round to the first area to pull up the pots.
There's something in it. Oh, yes! We've got a lobster. It's undersized. I'm pretty sure it's undersized. But we finally got one. So it's a centimetre, 10 millimetres too small. But we finally got one. Not far off the size we need. Not the biggest of claws. I knew eventually we'd get one at this spot. What's that? Is that a lobster? What, it doesn't get your nose? Hey, you're getting too excited. We don't want it nipping you. We'll get it back in.
The next day we headed along to a different spot. I got a bunch of new lures a few weeks ago from Angling Active, and I hadn't tried these jigs out yet. On the first cast, the line knotted round the tip of the rod. I couldn't get it undone, so I had to pull it in by hand, and I actually caught a fish.
Let's try that again. Without the tangle.
Unfortunately, the fish was hooked in the gill. I did try to return it, but once it floated back up, I scooped it out with the net. I double checked it was big enough and kept it.
It's a little bit better. This one should go back fine. He was just hooked right in the lip. Aye, straight away.
At some point catching that last fish, I lost the pin that keeps the handle on the reel. I stupidly tried to keep on fishing with it, and lost the handle too. I switched over to an 80-gram metal on my heavy setup, and it only took a couple of casts to hook a nice one.
Decent fish!
The legal size is 30 centimetres for pollock, but I like to keep them about 50 centimetres and over.
I normally like to take them a bit bigger than that, but to be honest, that's the biggest fish I've had for weeks. The fishing's been terrible lately, so I am going to keep that. Hey, is that dinner? You can have a bit. Not just now though, we're going to cook it first. Another fish. I think it's quite small. Oh, it's not that bad actually. Get it back.
It was good fun trying out some new lure styles, and we did get a few fish for the table. Hopefully next time we'll get a legal lobster too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Cheers.